There are so many gaming headsets out in the market, but upwards of $100, they better be really good, considering how good the more budget options already are. And with today's product, I think that we have a reason to spend a little bit more than usual. So introducing the Edifier HECATE GX, let's dive right in. Now in the box, you're going to find the headset itself in its full glory, along with the box on the side that includes instructions, a USB-C to USB-A cable, a USB-C cable, and a 3.5mm braided cable. Pretty good inclusion so far. The exterior design is really good here. These are built incredibly well with a beefy yet definitely sturdy build that is definitely going to last you a while. I haven't seen a headset that's this well built in quite a while, and I would definitely consider these to be one of the best built within the price range. On the side, there is a volume wheel for headset volume gain and a button to pretty much turn off your microphone. You will also get a headphone jack and a USB-C port for wired use. This is a wired only headset, which disappoints me because I want to be able to do more than just use it wired, and having the convenience of a wireless pair is what I would prefer for a gaming specific headset. But this is something that a lot of people won't mind at all, and frankly, I'm just nitpicking here when it comes to that. Just plug in the USB-C port if you want the RGB lighting. So speaking of which, you do get a few different colors to work with. You have red, blue, green, and purple for the LED lights, and that's about it. But this is truly a gorgeous headset, and would love to see Edifier try something a little bit crazier in the future. So when it comes to comfort, these nail it really well. There is a ton of padding everywhere, and I haven't found myself getting uncomfortable with these at all. Genuinely, I think that these are fantastic in terms of comfort. Sure, these also have pretty good clamping force, but they cancel out a lot of outside noise that way, and it just feels great to wear. I can wear these for hours without any issues, and that's really important when it comes to gaming headsets in general. And now onto the microphone test. So this right here is going to be a microphone test, and this microphone actually doesn't sound too bad in my opinion. I can hear myself back though for some reason. Now, as to that, I don't have a solution to. However, this microphone in general does sound pretty decent. Like you can hear me just fine. Doesn't sound too scratchy. Sure, maybe heavily compressed, but besides that, it doesn't really sound all too bad, which is a genuine surprise to me. Not a lot of headsets focus on the microphone audio in the way that this pair does. Now let's get into the actual sound quality of this headset, and there are some comments to be made here. These sound great, and the surround effect definitely shows, especially on this pair. I was playing Final Fantasy 15, and I could hear the footsteps of my companions from different directions perfectly. It felt really good here because the audio separation really is very effective with this particular pair. There is some bass here, but I didn't find it to muddy up the sound at all, and actually just contributes to that more theatric or cinematic sound that I personally enjoy, though I would always prefer a more flat sound signature. But these just sound really good, and the surround effect works really well. This is the most immersive pair of gaming headphones I have ever tested, so I would like to congratulate Edifier in that regard for creating such a great balance between bass, sound, and the like. So in conclusion, this headset is one of the best gaming headsets I have tested. It's kind of unfortunate that there wasn't too much to say regarding these, but these are just that good. If you don't mind being wired the whole time, then I can almost guarantee that you will love this headset for your needs. Strongly recommended for $150, but I've seen it for even cheaper than that, so keep that in mind. I mean, even the microphone is actually serviceable, which is extremely uncommon from these gaming headsets. So get this one. It's for your own good. So thank you so much for watching this video all the way up until the very end. I do very much appreciate it. I am going to be leaving affiliate links down to Amazon for this headset, so please make sure to use that link, because if you do, then you would be supporting the channel directly, and that always goes a very long way because that helps me be able to buy more product to be able to review on this channel for you guys. So please use my link. I would very much appreciate it. And also, I have a ton of other places where you can reach me. Like, for example, I do have the text on my podcast, which I do post to every Friday, so links to that down below. And I've also got links to my vlogging channel where I like to talk about literally whatever comes to mind. And I've also got other things such as my Twitch channel and my Instagram. Everything that you're hearing about is going to be down below, so please make sure to follow me on all of those if possible. So with that said, this has been Francisco from Tech Summit. Thank you for watching, and until next time, enjoy.